Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Some days ago, we published a video with unboxing and review of Alfawise X. It is one of the best Android projectors on the market of the beginning of 2018. You can watch this video by the link in description. Today I want to talk about another projector from the same manufacturer called Alfawise A8. It also runs on Android, but it is twice cheaper as Alfawise X. So let's start our review with unboxing and find out the main differences between Alfawise A8 and Alfawise X. As you may remember, Alfawise X comes in cardboard box without any company logo or specifications list. Alfawise A8 has a nice white box with image of projector on the front side. Inside the box you can find the projector, power cable, HDMI cable, remote control, audio-video cable, kickstand that you can screw in the bottom of the projector, user manual in English. That's all, nothing else is needed for watching movies on this projector. Now let's look at the design of Alfawise A8. First of all, Alfawise A8 is much smaller than Alfawise X. It has dimensions of 20.5 by 15 by 5.5 mm. Its weight is about 1 kg. It is much easier to find a place for this projector in your room than Alfawise X. The body of new projector is made of white plastic. On the top you can see control panel with up, down, left, right, OK, power, menu, source and back buttons. Also there is a ring for focus. On the front panel there is LED lamp and I/O receiver for the remote control. And the most interesting part, rear panel offers different ports and connectors such as 3.5 audio jack, AV, DC, HDMI, USB and VGA. The power outlet is located on the right side. At the bottom you can find a small spot for mounting on trackpad, or you can connect the projector on the ceiling mount. The remote control looks similar to Xiaomi gadgets. There are no many buttons as on the remote control from Alfawise X: power, up, down, left, right, OK, menu, home, source and volume. Now let's turn on the projector. I should say that there is Android and basic version of Alfawise A8. I have Android version, so it runs almost all Android apps. The home screen has the most popular categories, such as all apps, online video, office, app store, settings, and local. The projector has some pre-installed applications, for example, YouTube, Netflix, Play Store, and others. Now I suggest you see how the projector works, while I will tell you about its main specifications. Alfawise A8 has a similar specification to entry-level smartphone. It is powered by quad-core processor Amlogic S905X and Mali 450 GPU. Also, there is 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. Of course, you can use microSD memory cards or USB drives. Alfawise A8 supports Wi-Fi, so you can watch movies online or connect your laptop, smartphone or tablet to projector via Wi-Fi. Also, you can connect gaming console such as PS4 or Xbox via HDMI cable. It's a pity, but I don't have gaming console, so I cannot test it. The lens can make an image between 30 inches and 100 inches. The maximum brightness is 1800 lumens. The contrast is 1000 to 1 and native resolution 854 by 400 pixels. The lamp provides up to 20,000 hours, which is about 10 years with moderate use. Alfawise A8 projector has 3-watt built-in speaker, and now you can listen to how it sounds.
Mr. Sawyer, is your family enjoying their stay?
Very much so. They're shocked you gave us the entire floor.
After your security assessment, what do you think of the building?
With all due respect, he's a glorified security guard.
Please. The Pearl is the tallest, most advanced.
Whoa! And down, look at that. So that's going to be technical on Nurkic. Can't do that. Can't hand the ball off to a guy. Morris flopping. And Nurkic just gave the basketball as a token of his affection. There it is. This is classic. Happy birthday.
The projector runs on Android 6.0, so you can run Android games and apps. However, it has low performance, so you cannot play the most powerful games like Asphalt 8. I try and it doesn't run. Nevertheless, I managed to play Sonic 2. It is pretty smooth and fast. You can look for other simple games in Google Play Store and play them on big screen. Among the disadvantages, I want to note that Projector becomes hot during games. You may remember that Alfawise X has the same problem. I don't know, maybe this is good temperature for a Projector. However, it can reach 80 degrees. Alfawise A8 Projector is quiet. Of course, you can hear the noise from coolers, but it doesn't make problems while watching movies or playing games. If you look for a portable projector on Android with full set of functions, ports and connections, then Alfawise A8 will be a good option. It is smaller than Alfawise X, so it will be easier to place it in your room. Also, it has good performance, brightness and built-in speaker. The remote control allows you to control the projector without getting up off the couch. Alfawise A8 supports 4K movies and connection gaming consoles such as PS4 or Xbox. Also there is Google Play Store, so you can download almost all Android apps and games. And now the most interesting part, the price of Alfawise A8 is only $100. I think it is a great deal. In the description you can find links where to buy this projector cheaper. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.